Hi everyone! Welcome back to the session guys. So, how are you all? कैसे हैं आप लोग? I hope that you all are good and safe in this pandemic as COVID-19 is again increasing day by day, and I hope that you all are taking proper precautions, wearing your mask and sanitizing your hands. So, now, as you all know, we have completed the basic accounting terms. We had completed the first chapter, Introduction to Accounting. हमारा पहला chapter खत्म हो चुका है. And now, in this session, we will be starting the second chapter, Introduction to Concepts, Theory Base of Accounting. This is the second chapter, Theory Base of Accounting. In this class, we will start the second chapter. So, if you guys haven't subscribed the channel yet, so please do subscribe the channel. Please take a moment to subscribe this channel. And also, if you haven't liked this video, so go and give it a thumbs up, like this video, and also share it with your friends. Do share this video with your friends because we all are a part of this channel now and we want to grow the channel. You all are also a part of this. So, welcome everyone to V-Commerce. We are here for better future and we will build a better future. So, I hope now you have subscribed to the channel and also like this video. Now, as you all know, we have a Vedantu official Telegram group on which we share all the notes, updates and notification. So if you guys haven't joined this Telegram group yet, so what are you waiting for guys? Go and join this Telegram group quickly because सारे के सारे notes कहाँ मिलेंगे? इस ग्रुप पे मिलेंगे. सारे के सारे नोटिफिकेशन अपडेट्स कहाँ मिलेंगे? ग्रुप पे मिलेंगे. So there will be a link in the chat box. Go to that link and join this group for all the updates, for all the notifications, for all the notes. Now we are starting the chapter Class 11th Accountancy chapter. As you all know, at 4 p.m. we do क्लास 11th अकाउंटेंसी. 4 बजे हम लोग क्या करते हैं? अकाउंटेंसी का 11th क्लास करते हैं. So, we will be doing class 11th accountancy and the chapter Theory Base of Accounting. As I have told you that today we will start the second chapter, Theory Base of Accounting. And the topic that we will do is accounting principles and GAAP. What are these accounting principles? What is this GAAP, GAAP? What are they? What are these topics? So, we will cover this topic right in this session. So, stay tuned till the end of the session and don't forget to like this video and give it a thumbs up. Now, what will be the learning outcomes? आज की क्लास से हम क्या सीखने वाले हैं? What we will learn from this session? क्या सीख के जाएंगे आज की क्लास से? So, these are the topics that you will learn in this session. Introduction to GAAP, meaning of accounting standard. International accounting standards. International, we will learn about international accounting standard, guys. International financial reporting standards, IFRS. You have heard this many times, IFRS. Indian accounting standards. Meaning of accounting concept and types of accounting concept. These are the learning outcomes of this session. आज की क्लास में हम ये सब सीख के जाएंगे और अच्छे से सीख के जाएंगे. Okay? So, beginning with the first topic, introduction of GAAP. What is this GAAP? So, it stands for generally accepted accounting principle. GAAP means generally accepted accounting principle. Generally accepted accounting principle. नाम में ही मीनिंग छुपा हुआ है. नाम में ही मीनिंग छुपा हुआ है. Now before starting this, इसको स्टार्ट करने से पहले tell me that if there are no rules in cricket, how will it look like? अगर क्रिकेट में if you are playing cricket and there are no rules for anything, किसी के लिए भी कोई रूल नहीं है, कैसे भी खेलो. I don't know the rules. No run out, no ball out, whatever it is, मुझे नहीं पता. So if there is no rules in cricket, how will it look like? Will you enjoy it? क्या आपको मजा आएगा? Tell me. So the answer is no. If there is no rules in the cricket, we will not enjoy it because everything will be messed up. Everything will be hodgepodge. सब कुछ कबाड़ा हो जाएगा. बहुत सारी hodgepodge हो जाएगी. कुछ पता ही नहीं चलेगा. So अगर rules नहीं है तो सब अपनी मर्जी से खेलेंगे. कोई मानेगा ही नहीं. सब चीटिंग करेंगे. So there will be hodgepodge and everything will be messed up and कुछ मजा नहीं आएगा. ऐसे ही similarly if there are no rules in accounting, अगर accounting में भी rules नहीं है then how will the things go? अगर accounting में rules नहीं है तो कैसे चलेगा? Everybody will prepare the books of account according to their choice. सब अपनी बुक्स कैसे बनाएंगे? अपनी चॉइस के अकॉर्डिंग बनाएंगे. ABC Limited will prepare its book according to its choice. XYZ will prepare the books according to its choice. So सब अपनी मर्जी से अकाउंट्स बना रहे हैं. कोई भी रूल नहीं है. And there will be no uniformity, no similarity. दोनों के अकाउंट्स में कुछ कॉमन नहीं होगा, कुछ सिमिलैरिटी नहीं होगी, कुछ यूनिफॉर्मिटी नहीं होगी. हम उन्हें कंपेयर भी नहीं कर पाएंगे. अगर सेम नहीं है तो कंपेयर कैसे करोगे? कंपेयर करने के लिए कुछ यूनिफॉर्मिटी तो होनी चाहिए. So if there will be no rules in the accounts, then there will be also hodgepodge. सब कुछ कूड़ा कबाड़ा हो जाएगा, कुछ भी समझ नहीं आएगा. Therefore the gap was introduced. इसी कारण कि कुछ भी ऐसे कूड़ा कबाड़ा ना हो, hodgepodge ना हो, इसीलिए क्या हुआ? गैप को इंट्रोड्यूस कराया गया. So what is gap, guys? GAAP are the generally accepted accounting principle, refers to the rules or guidelines adopted for recording and reporting of business transaction. These are the rules, these are the guidelines that are adopted, that we follow for recording the business transactions. We will record the business transaction keeping in mind these rules. हमें accounting transactions तभी record करनी है जब हमें दिमाग में ये rules चल रहे हैं कि ऐसे transaction नहीं record होगी, ये वाला rule है. ऐसे transaction record होगी, ये वाला rule है. So you have to follow these rules while recording the business transaction. Now, why the gap was developed? In order to bring uniformity and consistency. The gap was introduced so that there is uniformity, there is consistency in the preparation and presentation of financial statement. ताकि अकाउंट्स कंपनी के यूनिफॉर्म हो, एक जैसे हो सबके अकाउंट्स, अलग अलग ना हो, कंसिस्टेंसी हो, सेम हो सबके अकाउंट्स. So therefore the gap was introduced कि कोई hodgepodge ना हो वहां पे. So these are the rules or regulations that we have to follow while recording the business transaction. in order to bring uniformity and consistency in the financial statement, ताकि consistency और uniformity हो. This is gap, guys. I hope that this is clear to everyone. Now coming on to next topic. What is accounting standards? What is accounting standard? So, accounting standard are also some guidelines or rules that we have to follow while accounting. Accounting standards भी guidelines हैं, rules हैं जो हमें follow करनी है. Let's come to the definition. So, it says accounting standards are written statement of uniform accounting rules and guidelines. They are written statement. Written में लिखा होगा बड़ा बड़ा कि आपको ये follow करना है. These are the accounting rules and guidelines or practices relating to measurement, valuation and disclosure. These are the written rules and guidelines that tell you, that inform you how to measure the transaction, how to measure, how to record the transaction, how to record the amount of transaction. कि एक ट्रांजेक्शन को कैसे रिकॉर्ड करना है, उसकी अमाउंट क्या लिखनी है और अमाउंट कैसे फाइंड आउट करनी है. Now it will also tell you about valuation. कि amount, how to do the valuation of the transactions, and then how to disclose the transactions, how to disclose the assets and liabilities, how to disclose the transactions, your financial position. So what are accounting standards? What is accounting standard? They are also written statement of rules and guidelines that are related to measurement, valuation and disclosure. They will guide you on measurement, that how to measure the transaction, how to do the valuation and how to do the disclosure. Now, who developed these accounting standards? It might be a question in your mind. आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि यार ये accounting standards बनाता कौन है? कौन बनाते? किसने बनाई है accounting standard? किसने हमारे लिए ये टेंशन बना दी? So, accounting standards are developed by the Accounting Standard Board. Accounting standards are developed by the Accounting Standards Board, ASB. इसने बनाए accounting standards. So it can be asked in 1 mark question that who developed the accounting standards. So the answer is Accounting Standards Board, constituted by Institute of Chartered Accountant of India, ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. And again, this is very important line which can be asked in MCQs. How many accounting standards are there? How many rules and guidelines are there? Accounting standards. So there are total 27 accounting standards. कितने accounting standards हैं? 27 accounting standards are there. Total 27 accounting standards. So what is accounting standard? Accounting standards are also the rules and regulations that a company has to follow while measuring, valuation and disclosure. And there are total 27 accounting standards. So, this was about accounting standards. I hope that this is clear to you guys. Okay, so now we will be doing objectives of accounting standard. क्या objective है? ये क्यों बनाए गए accounting standards? To standardize the diverse accounting policies. There were different accounting policies to make a standard for them, to bring some uniformity. To bring the uniformity, to make some standard for the different accounting policies, to set a standard, the accounting standards were introduced to standardize the diverse accounting policies. The second objective is to add the reliability to financial statement so that we can trust on the financial statement. If we are following accounting standards, so the accounting standards will be true and fair. They will be true and fair. There will be nothing misleading in the financial statement. So, to add the reliability, to add trust to the financial statement, accounting standards were introduced. Third objective is to eradicate baffling variation in treatment of accounting concept. Now, everyone is treating accounting concept according to their choice. To remove this variation, to remove these changes, to remove the variation, to eradicate the variation in the treatment. सब अपने अपने तरीके से ट्रीट कर रहे थे, अपनी अपनी मर्जी से ट्रीट कर रहे थे अकाउंटिंग एस्पेक्ट्स को. So to remove that variation, to remove that changes, अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स वर इंट्रोड्यूस. इनको लाया गया कि तुम आ जाओ, तुम्हारी बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत है कंपनीज को, तुम्हारी बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत है, तो अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स को लाया गया. नेक्स्ट ऑब्जेक्टिव इज टू फैसिलिटेट inter-firm and intra-firm comparison. Sometimes we want to compare our results of this year. Suppose I am comparing my results of the company, I am comparing my profit or loss with my own profit of last year. So, मैं अपना ही प्रॉफिट अपने आप से ही कंपेयर कर रही हूं, बट with the last year profit. So here the company is same. I am comparing my profits with my own company profit. मैं अपनी ही कंपनी के प्रॉफिट्स को कंपेयर कर रही हूँ. The profits of this year is compared with the profits of last year. So there is same company and this is known as intra-firm comparison. This is known as intra-firm comparison. When there is same company and you are comparing the results of same company, it is known as intra-firm comparison. But it may happen that you are comparing the results of your company with another company XYZ Limited. आप अपनी कंपनी के प्रॉफिट को XYZ लिमिटेड के साथ कंपेयर कर रहे हो. So that is known as inter-firm comparison. Inter-firm comparison. So if you are following accounting standards, the financial statement, the books of the account will be same. There will be uniformity. अगर आप अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड फॉलो कर रहे हो तो सबके सब सेम अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड फॉलो कर रहे होंगे, सबकी बुक्स एक जैसी होंगी, सबकी फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट एक जैसी होंगी, क्योंकि सब अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स फॉलो कर रहे हैं. सो इट फैसिलिटेट intra-firm comparison and inter-firm comparison because they are uniform, they are consistent. वो similar है, uniform है. You can easily compare the financial statement. You can easily compare the financial statement. It can be intra-firm comparison or inter-firm comparison. This is the fourth objective of accounting standard, that it facilitates inter-firm comparison or intra-firm comparison. So what are the objectives of accounting standards, guys? The first objective is It standardizes the diverse accounting policies. Standardize, एक standard set कर दिया जाता है for different policies. Second, it add reliability to the financial statement. It add trust to the financial statement. Now we can trust on them. Now we can rely on them because they are prepared by following the accounting standard. वो कैसे बनाए गए हैं? Accounting standards को follow करके. Third is it it removes the variation in the treatment of accounting aspects. Everyone is treating the accounting concept as per their choice. Now it is removed. You have to follow the accounting standards, so the treatment will be same. There will be no variation. कोई change नहीं होगा. सब accounting standard follow करेंगे और उसी के हिसाब से treatment होगी. And the last one is facilitate inter-firm and intra-firm comparison. So, now the next topic is International Accounting Standard. As the word says, international. भाई ये हमारा नहीं है, ये international companies का है. International Accounting Standards. They are followed by the international company outside the India. India में हम लोग क्या follow करते हैं? In India we follow accounting standards, but the companies outside India follow international accounting standard. बाहर वाली दुनिया में क्या लोग यूज कर रहे हैं? इंटरनेशनल अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड, लेकिन इंडिया में अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट आर दे. सो International Accounting Standards IAS are the older accounting standards. ये तो पुराने हैं, अब नहीं फॉलो करते हम इन्हें. Indian accounting standards are the older accounting standards. Now we don't follow them. अब नहीं फॉलो करते इनको. So Indian accounting standards are the older, पुराने accounting standards issued by International Accounting Standard Board, issued by IASB, International Accounting Standard Board. It is an independent international standard setting body. It is an international body जो सारे के सारे rules बनाती है, and it is based in London. ये इतनी बड़ी कंपनी लंदन में बैठी हुई है, मतलब it is a body that is in London. So International accounting standards are the older accounting standard. That is the main point. And they are issued by IASB, International Accounting Standard Board. Now, why are they older one? नया कौन है मैम? ये तो पुराने हो गए. These are the older one. Who is the new one? नया कौन है? So, the IAS, the International Accounting Standard, were replaced in 2001 at your time of birth, maybe 9. You guys are in 11, so you will be born in 2003 or 2004. So or 2002. So they were changed before your birth. आपके पैदा होने से ही पहले, before your birth, they were replaced. उनको भगा दिया गया कि बाय बाय आप जाओ, आप पुराने हो गए हो, आप बूढ़े हो गए हो. So the IAS were replaced in 2001 before your birth, so you can easily remember this year. So they were replaced in 2001 by International Financial Reporting Standards. They were replaced in 2001 by International Financial Reporting Standard IFRS. IAS were replaced by IFRS, International Financial Reporting Standard. So IAS पुराना था, IFRS नया है. IFRS नया है. Now, मैम ये IFRS क्या है? ये नया तो है. This is the new one, but what is this IFRS that replaced the International Accounting Standard? So, what is this? So, these are also the rules. There were only some changes, but they are also rules. These were the new rules, but they are also rules. So International Financial Reporting Standard IFRS set common rules. It tell you common rules so that financial statement can be consistent. ये आपको rules बताता है that needs to be followed so that financial statement, your books of accounts are consistent, are uniform, transparent. There is no misleading item. They are transparent and comparable. They are comparable. So International Financial Reporting Standard set common rules so that financial statement can be consistent, transparent and comparable. They are consistent, transparent and comparable. International Financial Reporting Standards set common rules so that, yes, comparable around the world. Around the world. So, what are IFRS? IFRS set common rules. They are common rules that can be used that has to be used while preparing the financial statement, and they were introduced so that the books of accounts are consistent, transparent and comparable. Same as GAAP, but they are international and GAPs are Indian. So, IFRS are also developed by the same board, International Accounting Standard Board. IFRS are also developed by IASB, International Accounting Standard Board. They specify, they tell you how companies must maintain and report their account. They tell you, they guides you that कैसे आपको accounts बनाने हैं, how company must maintain and report their accounts, how they will report their accounts and how they will maintain their accounts, defining the type of transactions and other events with the financial impact. So it tells you everything, that how to maintain the accounts, how to report the accounts, different type of transactions and different type of events with their impact, with their effect. So this is IFRS. They are international financial reporting standards that are followed by the international companies. They are followed by the international companies around the world. बाहर वाले ये follow करते हैं, हम लोग नहीं करते. So this is IFRS and this is important, guys. You should be aware of the meaning. It can be asked in your paper that what is IFRS? तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि IFRS international rules है. International rules है जो कौन बनाता है? Indian Accounting Standard Board. Okay. Now coming on to Indian Accounting Standard. हमने मैम अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड तो पढ़ लिया. We have already learned accounting standard. Now what is this Indian Accounting Standard? So let me tell you a story. So this is international companies. This is international companies and this is Indian companies. So, international companies used to follow IAS before 2001. इंटरनेशनल कंपनी क्या फॉलो करती थी? IAS फॉलो करती थी. एंड इंडियन कंपनी यूज्ड टू फॉलो accounting standards. Indian company used to follow accounting standards. Now in 2001, international company rules were changed. IAS was replaced by IFRS. International companies rules were changed in 2001. From IAS they were replaced to IFRS. Rules बदल गए, IAS से IFRS आ गया. Now इंडिया वाले बहुत चालू होते हैं. इंडिया The Indians are very smart. They noticed that the rules are changed, that the international rules are changed and we are following the same rules. हम अभी तक पुराने rules follow कर रहे हैं और international company ने rules बदल लिए. So Indian companies, Indian body also changed the rules, and they also introduced the new accounting rules known as Indian accounting standards. इंडिया वालों ने भी कहा हम भी चेंज लाएंगे, हम भी बदलेंगे. So India also introduced new rules and they are known as Indian accounting standards. तो पहले हम क्या फॉलो करते थे? अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स फॉलो करते थे. फिर हमने देखा कि बाहर वाले लोग बदल रहे हैं, हमें भी बदलना पड़ेगा. And then we introduced Indian accounting standards. So, what is Indian accounting standards, guys? I hope that now you can identify that what are Indian accounting standards. So, Indian accounting standards are the converged standards of IFRS. They are the converged standards of IFRS. It is a set of accounting standards developed by ICAI and notified under the Companies Act 2006. हमने ये कब लाए? हम लोग 2006 में लाए. डेवलप कौन करता है? वही ICAI. These are also developed by ICAI because that is the supreme body of accounting. ICAI is the supreme body of accounting. Every accounting standard is developed by that only. अगर कोई भी रूल बनाएगा तो ICAI बनाएगा, कोई भी accounting standard बनाएगा तो ICAI बनाएगा. And let me tell you that CA are also chartered accountant are also produced by ICAI. चार्टेड अकाउंटेंट को डिग्री कौन देता है? ICAI देता है. चार्टेड अकाउंटेंट के पेपर कौन कराता है? ICAI कराता है. So that is the supreme accounting body. Every accounting standard is developed by ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. Institute of Chartered Accountant of India. So Indian accounting standards are nothing. They are the converged standards of IFRS. And they are the standards developed by ICAI. So the meaning is same, guys. The meaning is same. You can read this. These are the document and policies. These are the rules and regulations, document and policies that provide guidelines or principle for that guides us for recognition, how to record the transaction, how to measure the transaction, how to do the treatment, presentation and disclosure. So it will tell you everything कि क्या करना है accounts में, कहाँ से शुरुआत करनी है, कहाँ खत्म करना है. Accounting standards will guide you everything and you have to follow those accounting standards. Every company is required to follow these accounting standards. आपको follow करने हैं accounting standards. So, presently there are 35 Indian accounting standards. Indian accounting standards are 35 and accounting standards are 27. Accounting standards are 27 total and Indian accounting standards are 35. There are total 35 Indian accounting standards. So these are the new rules and regulations. Indian accounting standards are the new rules and regulation and accounting standards are the older one. Now, coming on to the next topic, meaning of accounting concept. This is the main part of this chapter. Meaning of accounting concept. As you all know that in second chapter there are 9 accounting concepts and 4 accounting conventions. There are total 13 kind of accounting concept. So we will be learning a lot of accounting concept. So what is the meaning of word concept? Concept का मतलब क्या है? So financial accounting, your financial accounting that we are doing, the accounting both practical and theory based. Your book, your accounting, both practical part and theory part is built on some accounting principle, that is depending on some accounting principle. हमारी जो accounts है वो depend ही principles पे करती है. So there are some accounting equation that support these two. कुछ accounting equations भी हैं जो इसे support provide करती है, financial accounting को support provide करती है. And these accounting principles are built on a few assumptions that we will call accounting concept. जो भी हमारे principles बनते हैं, whatever are the accounting principles, they are also based on some assumptions. So, accounting concept are the assumptions. Accounting concept are the assumptions or ideas that we have to follow while doing accounting. They are not rules, they are the assumptions that you will assume while doing accounting, or they are the ideas that we will consider while doing accounting. So ये कुछ assumptions हैं, ये कुछ ideas हैं that we will follow, on which our accounting is dependent. हमारी accounting इसी पर dependent है, on these accounting concept. Now, meaning तो बता दिया, what are the different types of accounting concept? So there are total 14 type of accounting concept. There are total 14 type of accounting concept. Business entity concept, money measurement concept, going concern concept, accounting period, cost, dual aspect, revenue recognition, accrual, full disclosure, matching, objectivity, consistency, conservatism, and materiality. Like there are 14 principles of FAOL. So, there are also 14 accounting concepts. जैसे business में 14 principles हैं. Similarly, in accounts, there are, but principles are in class 12. Now, you guys in class 11. Okay. So, you will not understand about business. So, in the accounting concepts, there are total 14 accounting concepts. कितने accounting concepts हैं? 14. And we will learn each one of them one by one. हम सबके बारे में पढ़ेंगे एक एक करके. We will learn each one of them because every concept is important. We have to follow each concept. हमें सारे के सारे concept को follow करना है. सारे के सारे important है. Now we will do this in the next session. हम लोग ये कब करेंगे? Next session में करेंगे. Don't worry, आज नहीं करने वाले, कब करेंगे? Next session में करेंगे. So guys, with this, we end the session for today. I know that if you guys have any doubt, we'll discuss in the next class. Till then, stay tuned. We'll see you all in the next session. So bye guys, bye everyone. See you all in the next session. And till then, stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe this channel and also like this video if you understand all the topics. If you understood all the topics, please give it a thumbs up. Please give it a thumbs up and like this video. And don't forget it to share it with your friends. सारे की सारे दोस्तों को भेज दो कि देखो हम लाइव क्लास लेते हैं, YouTube पे लेते हैं. So do share it with your friends and like this video. And if you haven't joined the Telegram group yet, इतने कहने के बाद भी Telegram group join नहीं किया तो जल्दी से जाओ. Go and join the Telegram group for all the updates and for all the notes. So with this, we end the session for today. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone for attending the session. We'll see you all in the next session.